Are you tired of being always broke? Living paycheck to paycheck is very dangerous and fragile, and with basic issues will make you in trouble. In this video, I will show you 5 proven rules to never be broke again. Rule number 1. Budgeting. You should have a budget plan for your life. Remember, no one accidentally wins, and by a simple plan, you can make sure you are ready. If you don't have a financial mind, you can follow an easy way of budgeting. They name it 50-30-20 budget rules. Simply, you need to divide all of your monthly income into 3 parts. 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% to savings. You should do it as soon as you get paid and before you spend it. This is just a simple way. You can create your own plan, but just remember that you need to save more to be prepared for the future. Make sure you subscribe to get the notification for our next videos about each of these steps in detail. Thank you. Let's continue. Rule number 2. Live on less than you make and save money as you can. In a sentence, try to and be frugal. It may sound ugly and hard, but the only way that you can guarantee a bright future for yourself is cutting non-necessary expenses. Try to be creative and replace all your expenses with cheaper, same quality options. For example, just in grocery expenses, you will surprise if you see how much you will save if you buy the same products in bulk. Or just living in a smaller apartment, you can save some extra cash for your debt. Rule number 3. You got to get out of debt. As long as you have debts with high interest, your financial situation is getting worse and worse. You need to pay them as soon as possible. Talk to your bank to design a plan for you to match your financial situation. Don't invest your money and just focus on paying your debt. Cut all of your non-necessary expenses and just dedicate yourself to paying the debt. Remember, the money that you have in your account may gain 1 to 2%, but your debt interest is more likely at least 10 times more than that. Rule number 4. Take on a side hustle. It is possible that your current income is not enough. You need to change balance with some extra cash. You can easily get a temporary second job like being Uber driver, or delivering stuff with Instacart, or maybe creating a YouTube channel and teaching audience new skills. We have a video dedicated to easy side hustles that you can see, its link in the description. Make sure you see that video. Some people even replace their main job with their side hustle. Last but not least, put your money to work. If you don't have any debt, you are ready for earning money with your current money. You can invest your money in stock or even in yourself by learning new skills that will help you with extra money. In most situations, stocks will return up to 7% per year. That is a lot more than what you would get by a regular saving account. Thank you for watching. These 5 rules to never be broke again. It may seem so easy. If you search the internet, you will see all of them are proven, and they are as simple as possible to work for any situation. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.